Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. I'm Brian Eslick, and in today's video is for the younger technician out there that feels the pressure to become a master tech or to learn this job as fast as they possibly can. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so in this industry, there's a lot of people that wants to push you to become the master technician, master paint and body, whatever the case may be, but they want you to get there extremely fast. And I'm here to tell you that automotive industry, as a technician, either a technician, mechanic, bodyman, painter, all that, whatever it is that you're into in the automotive industry, is a marathon and not a sprint. So what I recommend for you guys is to slow it down and specialize. So start on something that you're interested in learning on the car. So if you're interested in suspension and brakes, go dive into the suspension and brakes, buy all the tools you need for suspension and brakes for whatever vehicles you're working on, and master it, literally know that system inside and out. Once you've mastered suspension and brakes, then look at the next step and then figure out what that is. Then after that, maybe do something like engine repair. So you're gonna learn everything you need to know about the internal combustion engine and how it works, how it functions. And then later on, you'll add computer controls and sensors and stuff like that. And then when you got those two together, it's a pretty powerful combination, because now you can diagnose mechanical problems and you can diagnose electrical problems, drivability problems, and you're a pretty well-rounded technician. So now you've got your brakes or suspension under your belt. Then you've moved over to the engine repair and then the electrical portion of it, and overall you're a pretty rounded technician. This may take you a while to get there, but if you take your time and master each one of these steps, instead of trying to learn a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit here, a little bit there, you'll actually get to your end goal much faster by slowing down, specializing in one area, mastering that, and then moving on. So if you try to jump back and forth, it's a lot harder to learn. It's a lot slower pace. Your tools are all over the place. So take your time, figure a way out to just master a certain area, move to the next step, and you'll be at your end goal a lot faster. I'm Brian Eslick from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.